He tells me exactly what he wants, and I give him that's the color he wants. Because the first one I brought him was that lighter brindle.
Yeah.
And he's like, no, it's too light. It's too light.
You gotta pick the dog by its personality, not its color.
That's what well, color does help.
Well,
I mean, color and, I don't know, depends if you want a big dog or not.
well, these guys are gonna get pretty big.
Those two will. These guys probably won't get a whole, I'd say 60 pounders.
Yeah, mine's
These
about
two-
75.
Yeah, those two will probably get, I don't know, probably 75 to 80. Just because how much, they're only 9 days apart and they're just so much bigger than the other ones.
They're so adorable. It's a pile of puppies.
That ain't shit. I like this one. Should take it home.
Mom would love that.
She'd have to learn out when she came home from work.
Yeah.
You need one of them.
That little rock is kind of
It is.
more kind.
It's got like bat teeth.
Those two seem to like you.
Yeah, I like it. They're so lovable. I could sit here all day and pet these little guys.